Happy today and thanks for stopping by. I'm going to make baked beans with ground meat. And we're going to need chopped onions, about a tablespoon and a half of molasses, brown sugar. I have a small can of baked beans. I have a can of pork and beans drained. I have some margarine, not butter, because it won't taste good in it. And bell pepper. I have your ground meats, which is frozen, but it's okay. I have ground hamburger, ground pork, and ground turkey. Just some leftovers that I had in the fridge. Let's get cooking. I've added some water to the pan. I'm going to take my ground meats and add them to the pan. We're going to wait till they thaw, and I'll be right back to show you. And as it starts to steam, you'll scrape. Doesn't take long at all. I think I've showed you this little technique before. You're going to turn it up high because the cold meat is going to cool off the heat. And I'm going to continue to do this until it's all thawed, and I'll be back. That took all of about 7 or 8 minutes. Now I'm going to drain this and set it aside. Into this saucepan, I'm going to add my beans. Going to add my molasses. And all these ingredients I'm putting in, you can add them to your taste. That means taste and add and taste and add until you're satisfied. I'm going to add my brown sugar. Excuse me for reaching across. My onions. My bell pepper. I only like a little bit of bell pepper. Some people really love it. Let me drain the water off. I only like a little bit, just enough that you know it's there. It's enough for me. And my margarine. Remember, I add margarine and not butter because for some reason it just doesn't taste very good with butter. And then I'm going to stir this together, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Then turn it back down to a simmer. Cover and let cook until it thickens. And I'll be back. Okay, I brought it to a low simmer. And now I'm going to add my ground meat. Now I'm going to let this go for about 10 minutes is all it needs. And then I'm going to make a bowl, and I'll be back. And there you are, baked beans with ground meat. It's really a meal in itself. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope it was as much fun for you as it was for me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, do something nice for someone. And be well.